If you are new to the world of crypto or looking to explore different wallet options, you are in the right place. So let's jump right into it and learn all about MetaMask, one of the most popular ones out there. What is MetaMask blockchain wallet? MetaMask is a crypto wallet just like you have a physical wallet for your money. MetaMask is like a digital wallet for your cryptocurrencies. Instead of holding coins and bills, it holds digital tokens like Ethereum and makes it easy to interact with DeFi and NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. It is a cryptocurrency wallet and browser extension that enables users to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and access decentralized applications (DApps) directly from their web browser. It was developed by Consensus and initially launched in 2016. How does MetaMask work? MetaMask serves as a unique wallet integrated into your internet browser, facilitating interactions with decentralized applications such as DeFi protocols and NFTs. Let's explore its functionality through an example transaction. When you visit an online decentralized application, MetaMask prompts a dialog. Seeking permission to connect with your wallet, you retain the discretion to grant or deny access. Suppose you encounter an appealing digital pet on a Web3 platform and decide to purchase it using cryptocurrency. Initializing the purchase triggers MetaMask to intervene, crafting a secure transaction message and dispatching it across the cryptocurrency network. This message essentially communicates your intent to procure the pet. The cryptocurrency network like Ethereum receives your transaction message, broadcasting it to all network participants. They verify your cryptocurrency balance to ensure sufficiency, a process typically taking a few minutes. Upon consensus agreement within the network that you possess adequate cryptocurrency, the purchase concludes successfully. The website receives confirmation of transaction, acknowledging your acquisition of the digital pet, which now resides in your digital wallet. MetaMask also serves as a monitoring tool, allowing you to track your remaining cryptocurrency balance and view a chronological record of your transactions activity. It's crucial to safeguard your private key as it serves as the sole means of accessing your MetaMask wallet. In essence, MetaMask streamlines the process of acquiring digital assets and managing your cryptocurrency portfolio, offering convenience and security in one comprehensive package. Purpose of MetaMask. So what reason should you think about using MetaMask? To begin with, it provides unmatched ease and accessibility for engaging with the Ethereum blockchain and decentralized applications. MetaMask offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the complexities of blockchain technology, catering to both experienced crypto investors and newcomers in the space. Furthermore, you can have peace of mind knowing that your funds are safe and secure, thanks to the strong security measures such as password protection and encryption. Is MetaMask a legit and safe way to interact with Web3? In general, MetaMask is a secure and dependable wallet option. When employing MetaMask, taking these precautions can reduce your vulnerability to malicious individuals. Steer clear of clicking of any questionable links, as hackers may use them to circumvent security protocols or trick you into disclosing sensitive information, like your recovery phrase. Using a strong, one-of-a-kind password for your MetaMask account is crucial, and it's important to refrain from using the same password for different accounts. Additionally, make sure to keep your password backup, such as your seed recovery phrase, stored offline in order to avoid unauthorized access. To reduce the chance of downloading altered version from unauthorized sources, it is recommended to download MetaMask only from official sources like the company's official website. Make sure to thoroughly review each sign request from MetaMask when visiting Web3 sites in order to confirm that the site is not trying to abuse its permissions or access unauthorized data. Think about combining hardware wallets like Ledger with MetaMask to enhance security. Hardware wallets keep private keys offline, making them less vulnerable to online risks that software wallets are exposed to. This integration improves security by separating sensitive information from potential hacks and malware attacks. Users can improve the security of their MetaMask wallet and reduce the chance of being targeted by malicious activities in the world of cryptocurrency by following these precautions. In conclusion, MetaMask is a versatile and easy-to-use blockchain wallet that acts as a portal to decentralized realm of Ethereum and more. MetaMask enables users to easily control their digital assets, take part in DeFi protocols, and interact with NFTs thanks to its user-friendly interface, strong security, and diverse features. Nevertheless, it is crucial to stay cautious and adopt good security practices in order to protect your funds. MetaMask offers limitless possibilities, making it a valuable tool for both seasoned cryptocurrency enthusiasts and beginners. Thank you once again for watching. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Take care. This is Crypto Shield. See you in the next one.